Hey guys, Justin from Sharp Truck here. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you buy a dually mud flap kit for a Silverado heavy duty or Sierra heavy duty. This is through the 2019 model here. You're going to get the dual rear wheel mud flaps. This is a 21-inch wide by 24-inch long flap. This one has a stainless steel plate on there, but there is different choices of logos that you can choose from. You get two of those. These weigh in about 10 pounds a piece. Nice heavy duty rubber. You're going to get the front mud flaps. This is a 12 by 23-inch mud flap. Again, we have the stainless steel plate on here. And then you're also going to get these custom fit mounting brackets that go with the dual rear wheel flaps. That's just going to give you a nice solid mounting surface to mount the flaps to, so you don't have any tear-offs and everything is nice and solid on here. You do not need brackets for the front install. This is everything you get for your dually truck.